Hello and welcome to RLRXL Network. I'm your friend, and in this amazing and unique video I will teach you how you can create this beautiful construction chart in Excel 2019. As you can see on my screen, I have created this beautiful chart with the use of these data where I have taken some team leaders name and what their team is getting performance is mentioned over here, and on the basis of these performance I have created this bricks which is looking so beautiful. All right, so I will teach you in this video how you can create this beautiful chart from yourself. So before starting this video, if you did not subscribe my channel still, so please subscribe it quickly, because I always try to make the useful videos for you so that you can become an Excel expert easily. All right, so just select this data and press Ctrl C to copy it, and click on this plus button and add the data or paste the data over here. Alright, first of all I will remove this grid lines from this worksheet. So go to view tab and just remove this check mark from here. Alright, now to create this brick chart I need two support column. Alright, to set up the condition, because here I have put it two condition. If any team leader will get below 90% performance, then the bricks wall will be in orange color. Otherwise, if any team will get above 90% performance, then the bricks wall will be in green color. Alright, let's change the result and see how it is reflecting. Here you can see. Alright, so here I have put it two condition, one for orange and second one for green. So what will I do? I will take here two support column. The first one is for red. Alright, so here I will put a formula, press is equal to if this cell is less than 90%. Make sure put here percentage symbol. So return this B2, otherwise return NA. Alright, similarly we will do for green. So type here green and press is equal to if this cell is equal to and greater than 90%. Then the return B2 cell, otherwise return NA. Alright, so just select this cell and press Ctrl D to drag this all data. Alright, now select your this data and press Ctrl Shift F5 to transfer into percentage. Alright, now our data is done. We need to create this brick chart. So what will I do? I will just select this TL name and these data. Alright, just click on insert tab, and from here I will click on column, and from here I will take this one, which is 2D stacked column chart. Now just resize your chart how much you want, like this one. Now first of all I need to change the axis. So just right click on this axis, format axis, and now here I will take minimum as 0 and the maximum as 1. Alright, now we need to remove this axis because we do not need. So just click on this plus button. Remember one thing, we need to remove this only vertical axis, do not remove horizontal axis. So just click on this plus button and click on this icon, then remove the vertical. Alright, now again click on this plus button and remove chart title, grid lines, and also legends. Alright, so your chart is almost done. Now just select this entire chart, go to format tab and remove the shape fill as no fill and shape outline as no outline. Now just select your bar and right click on it, go to format data series. Currently the gap width is 150%, so I will take around 40%. Here you can see all bar is in blue color because these conditions are meeting at this time for red. Otherwise, if I will refresh this sheet, so here you can see if any team leader is getting above 90%, that bar is in orange color. Alright, so to make this bricks I will take a rectangle and will make these bricks. Alright, so what will I do? I will just click on insert tab, illustration, shapes, and from here I will take rectangle and just select this and drag this, and then select this rectangle, go to format and take the height and width around. Height will take 0.3 and the width 0.7. Let me zoom this screen and then select this rectangle, go to format and take the shape fill as like this one, which is orange, and the shape outline as dark gray, and the shape outline will change from 1 point half. Alright, now just select this and make the duplicate of it and just keep it. Alright, now just select this bricks and make the duplicate another time and select this bricks, and this time I will change the height and will take 0.35 and just place it. Let me zoom this screen so that it is easy for you. Alright, now select this both bricks, press Ctrl D and just keep it. Alright, like this one, and make the duplicate of this one also and keep it over here like this one. Alright, now just select all the bricks using Ctrl or Shift button and right click on it, make it crop. Alright, so these are in a single bricks. Now just reduce the sheet size and now select this bricks, press Ctrl C and select this blue bar and just press Ctrl V. Alright, so you can see the bricks has been added. Alright, now which team is getting above 90%? So for this I need to take the bricks color as orange. So just select this, go to format and change the shape fill as green. Remember the one thing, select all the bricks. Alright, then select this bricks, press Ctrl C and this bar and press Ctrl V. Alright, so now your bar is almost ready. Just we need to show like these bricks. So just right click on this bar and go to format data series, click on fill and line, and from here you can see another option is available under fill option. Remember one thing, under fill option, and another option is available which is stack and scale width. Just click on it. Now currently the units picture is 1, means 100%. So I will just type 0.1 means each 10%. So now you can see this wall is converted into bricks. Similarly we will do for the green one also. Just right click on it, format data series, fill and line, and now under fill we'll click on this one which is stack and scale and we'll take 0.1. Alright, so now this is also converted into bricks. Just we need to select this horizontal legends axis and just go to home and increase the font as take 11, font name as agency AP, make it bold, color will take dark black, and go to format and we'll remove the outline. Alright, so our task is almost done. We do not need this bricks, so just remove this. Alright, now just we need to add the data label. So just select your bar and right click on it, add data label. Select your data label, right click on it and take the data label shape is almost like you can also take this one. Alright, just right click on this, go to format data labels, and the label position is currently in center, so we'll click on inside and alright. Now just select your data label, go to format and take theme color as your bricks. So that's time the bricks color is in orange, so we'll take the style as like this one. Alright, need to change the font color, so we'll go to home tab, take the font color as dark black, make it bold, and the font size as almost 11, and the font name is agency AB. Alright, similarly we will do for the green one also. So just right click on it, add data label, select data label, right click, change the data label shapes, right click on it, format data labels and change this inside position, and just select this format and change the theme as this time I'm taking green one. Then go to home and take the font color as black, make it bold, little bigger of the font size, and the font name as agency FP. Alright, so now our chart is done. Just refresh this sheet and see the result, how it is changing. Alright, see this amazingly. Whoever team is getting above 90%, that the bricks wall is in green, otherwise all bricks in orange. Alright, so this is how you can create this beautiful construction chart in Excel 2019. I hope you will like this video, and if you will like this video, please like it. If you did not subscribe my channel still, please subscribe it. And if you have any query regarding this video, so you can just do the comments below of this video, and I will meet you next video to teach you something amazing. Alright, before ending this video, one thing is left, which is we need to add this shadow. Alright, so how will I add this? Just right click on your wall, or just select this wall and go to format and do the shape effect under shadow, this one. Alright, so shadow has been also added. Just refresh it, but this green bricks have not shadow, so just right click, or sorry, just select this, go to format and do the shadow as this one. So now this task is also done. Now we do not need to show this data, so just select this data and do the font color as white, and now our chart is done. Just refresh this sheet and enjoy. You can also put here your actual value and make your MIS report more beautiful. Alright, so we'll meet you in next video. Till then,